Hello family, and welcome back to Uncle Bill's Kitchen. It's come to my attention that there's a lot of people who are interested in learning how to make frozen French fries with an air fryer. One of the easiest ways to make them. They come out nice and crisp, just like if you boiled them in oil, but even better, they're going to be healthier because they were air fried. Stay tuned.
Hello, and welcome to Uncle Bill's Kitchen. Alright, so the first thing we're going to need to do is hit that subscribe button. That's right, how else are you going to be notified every time we have a new video coming out? Hit that notification bell and we will let you know. Now we're going to take our frozen French fries and place them in the basket. Do not overfill the basket. The fries can be on top, but I wouldn't suggest going more than one layer above your base layer. We're going to put it into our air fryer, set our temperature to 390 degrees, and start her up at 7 minutes. 7 minutes have gone by. We have this beautiful smell coming into the air. Our French fries are looking amazing and almost done. Give them a nice shake in your basket, mix them up, make sure they're not overlapping too much, pop it back in there, hit the power button, 390 degrees, 5 more minutes and we'll check them out again. Now we take our French fries out of the basket. They are beautifully golden brown. Would you take a look at that? Wonderful smell of that potato coming out. We're going to put this in the bowl, and what a better meal than to have some air fried French fries with air fried chicken wings. If you'd like to know how to warm up some chicken wings, hit that little button on the top right. We're going to add some Himalayan sea salt to our French fries as these come unseasoned. And there you go. Crunchy, crisp, soft centered. Wonderful. Thanks for stopping by Uncle Bill's Kitchen. We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Please be sure to hit that like button if you did. And don't forget to subscribe, as we have new videos coming out every week and want to make sure that you get to take a look. Happy cooking!